Okay, man, I don't have my what you call it. So got my head on either. Uh, this is KP Louisville's Watchdog, and I'm getting prepared for mail outs, and I'm doing copying right now. Louisville's Watchdog for Injustice. I don't know what time it is. I don't even know what my phone is. This is real funny. I'm gonna make this kind of short. Mainly, I'm just showing you that I'm doing a lot of copying. And the burglary case right here, mainly the second page of the burglary page, named me right here as the person that did the burglary. And page number 6 that I'm gonna get a copy of says that this page 6, that's page 4. Page 6 right here says that me and this guy right there, see my name right there, Kerry Porter, and then I'm a stranger to this guy right here. This is so funny because I'm gonna ask that the news media and Metro Council get in touch with the owner of this alleged stolen gun. They do a sloppy job on this burglary. The case number is 80. Right here, y'all. Let's get a copy of that. Let's get a close up of that. 80 18 077 401. Investigative report. And they said, look at the time that they, look at the time that they said I did it. So it said I did a burglary. That's the charge, burglary. Y'all see that right there? First degree. But I was never arrested for it. I was never indicted, never fingerprinted, or otherwise. I think it's the funniest thing ever. I love it because it shows desperation to come after me in any sort of way. And I'm running 20 copies off of all of it. I got to run those 3 pages. And I still ain't mailed out those envelopes yet, y'all. I'm running behind. But that's okay. Here's the box. Still got all these to mail out. But let's see if we can see this right here. Here's a letter to Thomas Wine. We're doing the same thing. Look at that date on there. January the 15th, 2002. Last year before Christmas, I filed another memorandum letter stating that after the holidays, I would declare war on my conviction. I found some very, let's see, where's that? I found some very disturbing facts alleged in which, and it just goes on, and the horribleness of it. So anyway, I'm writing the same stuff some 25, 23 years later. Same stuff. Here's about the guns. Why would I steal break into somebody's house Saturday, June the 1st, one-on-one, when I can buy 1,000 guns literally? So, Rob, not only do I have an illegal entry into my home on November 30, 2019, but I have a second conspiracy case of framing me for the second time for something that I'm innocent of again. Rob, please try to talk to Miss Amy Senior of the DOJ. Her number is this right here. I'm going to present all of this in court. Which I can, what you call it. Here is something about here's the letter I got to get out. I said I already sent it out. on this day here, but there's a case number 8018-077-4007. It's about that burglary. So I'm gonna do a cover letter and I'm gonna get this burglary thing out. It's the funniest thing to me. Some more about it. Anyway, I wrote to the Department of Justice, and like I said, we're still up. This is the second page. This is how I had a right to get Marcus Pendergrass drug charge. I do a freedom of information, and that is what this is right here. This is these 2 pages. This is a freedom of information request, March the 20th of 2000. Federal Bureau of Investigation. I'm still writing the Federal Bureau of Investigation now, some 20 years later. Look at what I'm asking. March the 21st, 25 years later, y'all. A pattern practice. I'm still finding the evidence, the Brady material of deals made with people that took the stand in the murder trial. But Thomas Wine says my case was fair. So I'm sending this to the Department of Justice, the FBI, upon the color of law investigation. A color of law investigation. And color law and the pattern of practice. That the Louisville police work with the prosecuting attorney, and the prosecuting attorney works with both the police and the judge to make sure we get convicted. So I'm gonna do this burglary thing next. I got a bunch of copies. Let's just watch this. Walk in here. And there's all of my envelopes that I gotta get out. Keep them mailed out. And here's one. I'm sitting up here writing that case number on most of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I keep messing up. This is KP, Louisville's Watchdog for Injustice. May is gonna be my month. Mayor Greenberg, you got a whole lot of stuff coming your way, man. A whole lot. All of this. Let's see what this says. Wait a minute. Oh, shoot. I don't understand where the sign is at. Well, anyway, I'm going to end this right now. KP, Louisville's Watchdog, for justice to my people. All people. Equality.